11 years, and tonight is actually the beginning of our 12th year as an organization. And every one of those meetings since January of 2011, we've always kicked off our meeting with Bob Marley's Three Little Birds. It's a terrific warm-up song, 4 chords, a nice gentle strum pattern, a nice moderate tempo. It's a great way to limber up our fingers, warm up our voices, and remind ourselves that every little thing is going to be all right. Because for the next hour or so, it is. For those who aren't familiar with our little setup here, we've got the Bob cam here so you can see all this, me talking and singing. We've also got down below here, we've got the strum cam so you can see what my left and right hands are doing, especially helpful when we're going through the tutorial part of the evening. And then over here, we have the slides that will have the chords and the lyrics and the other things you need to follow along. And Lida will be operating the slides as we go through this. So please let me know if there's anything going on with the sound or the picture so that we can make adjustments as we go along. But hopefully everything is sounding and everything is looking as good as possible given this. So here we go. Let me drop over to Three Little Birds. On this song, we're going to begin by just strumming on C. And we're going to do this strum pattern, this down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Kind of that tempo too. We'll strum on C, and then when I get the vibe that we're all strumming together, I'll count us in. So on C. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Let's do the verse. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds sit by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Let's do the verse one more time. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds sit by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. One last time. Don't worry every little thing, yes indeed. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. One last time, let's slow it down. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Yes, yes indeed. Let's have some cheers. Yes, nicely done. Well played. Very good.